Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I colored my hair last night using just a color I was interested in. I saw that Sally's carried this brand, but they don't carry it in permanent. They only do like semi-permanent or demi-permanent, one of those two. So I decided to go on eBay and look for the permanent one. And this is the color. It is Matrix SoColor pre-bonded in the shade 1N, and that is black neutral, black neutral. And this is the darkest shade that they have. They do not have blue black in this line, unfortunately. I was kind of bummed, but I really wanted to try this and give it a go because, like I said, Sally's carries the semi-permanent one, and I don't like semi-permanent because when I'm doing my hair, I want something so low maintenance that I don't have to color my hair every 2 weeks. I want it to be like a one and done thing. I want it to last all month. I want it to cover all my whites, which I don't know if this is how the gray coverage is with this. It doesn't say so on the box or anything, so we will test that out. And yes, and I will update you guys on my Instagram page with that, if it lasts the first wash, if it doesn't, if my whites are already like showing up after I wash my face a few times. It'll start poking through. Like I said, I did order this on eBay. This is the darkest color in the line. There was something else I was gonna say. Oh, this color is super gentle, but it does have like a really strong smell at first, but then it like dissipates, so you don't really need ventilation unless you're like that type of person where you are just like, oh, this smell is so strong. It does disappear, so it's super strong in the beginning, but then it's just kind of like gone. Like, I didn't really notice it. I still don't notice it. Like, my hair smells like hair color still, but it's not like super strong the whole entire time. So I felt like you didn't really need ventilation. If you're very sensitive to scent, I tried to like let you guys know if you need ventilation, because sometimes there's some hair color out there that's just like, it chokes you and you're just like, I can't breathe. So this is not that hair color. It starts off that way, but as you mix it, it gets better. It does make your eyes water though. Like when you get close to your face and you start doing up here, and then you're like doing your hair and you're like bringing it down and you're mixing it, your eyes will start to water. But then as soon as you get it away from your face and you like pull it up and stuff, you're good to go. Like it's good. Now washing it out, it burns your eyeballs. Like, it's bad. I'm washing this out and I got some in my eye and I was like, oh my God. Like, it was bad. I was like, I can't see, like it hurts, it burns, like trying to get it out of my hair as fast as possible and trying to like not rub my eyes, because of course you got it all over your hands and you want to like take care of like all of that just got in your eye, and you're just like, and then you're like, oh, I just made it worse. Yeah, it was a shit show. So it burns your eyes. Just be careful. It does stain your countertop and your skin. Like, I have some areas on my arms that it stained pretty bad and I couldn't get it off. But like right here, it won't come off. But after a few washes, it'll come off. So on your countertops and stuff, or your sink or whatever, you're gonna need a little bit of bleach because it needs a little TLC to get off. What else? Okay, so let's see what it looks like in the sun. Yes, I know the sun's beating in my face right now, and it is super dark. I'm like loving how dark it is. And like I said, it's not blue black, it's just dark black, but my hair feels or looks so shiny. It's very staticky. It's very staticky today. I don't know why. So, I really like how shiny it looks. It looks really cool. It looks pretty. All right, let's see what it looks like at a different angle. In the sun. Ooh, it looks really black. I am seeing blue tint, but I'm not sure if it's just because like that's the last color I did was a blue black, and it might not have all come out of my hair. My roots were just so insanely bad. I literally had like 2 inches of whites, and it was driving me nuts. And I don't know if anyone else is like that, but I hate seeing roots, and that's probably why I can't go any other color besides black, because I can't have roots. Like, I've gone red, and as soon as I see like a little sliver of my natural hair color, I lose it. I can't do it. So like black is like the easiest color for me, because my natural color just kind of blends in, but my whites are so bad that like they stick out. They stick out like a sore thumb, like my curtains. Like, as soon as a white one pops in on my dark hair, it drives me nuts. So, but anyways, I don't know what's going on with the top of my head, but I got some crazies going on. But it is so dark. It's so shiny. Like, I had no problems with this hair color. It was mess free. It was so easy. I honestly can't complain about this hair color, because there's nothing bad to say about it except the fact that it burns your eyes in the shower or when you're washing it out. It just, that's like the only killer part. And it was so gentle. Like, I sat here writing all my notes out for like a half an hour, just like thinking about the hair color, my thoughts on it, and I didn't itch my head at all, and it was amazing. Yeah, it's super shiny. My hair feels really good. I was kind of worried because my hair was so tangly when I was washing it out, and it just felt so dry until I put my conditioner in. And the conditioner I use is the Pantene Pro V damage repair shampoo and conditioner. And as soon as I put the conditioner in, it was easier to run my fingers through my hair, and I don't know, and that's all I put in, and it just, now it's like very manageable. It feels very healthy and shiny. It's very staticky today. I don't know what the deal is, but it looks so good. Like, I'm really happy with the results. It covered my whites really well, because usually I have a couple like really, really pesky ones that if it doesn't stick to it, then, you know, it'll pop out like a sore thumb. So anyways, I will let you guys know on my Instagram page, it's Nina_Gilhousen, on how well this works with grays, because I have them everywhere, and if one starts peeking through, I will let you know. As soon as like the first wash, I will update you guys how well it wears and stays, and if it like sticks to my hair. But so far so good. I'm really liking the turnout. It looks really good. So yeah, this is a short video because like I don't know what else to say about it. It looks really good. I see a little hint of blue, but like I said, I don't know if it's from my previous color that's shining through. But it's really dark. I love dark black hair. We'll see how long it lasts without fading. Yeah. So if you have any other recommendations that you want to see me do, let me know in the comments below. If there's something new that pops out on the market from like brands that already exist, like Schwarzkopf, Revlon, L'Oreal, all of them that have like a new blue black that show up, or they came out with another line or something, let me know, and I will do black and blue black. Nothing crazy. I'm not going blonde or anything like that. No purples, no pinks, or greens or anything. yeah, so let me know in the comments below, and I will do my best to find that hair color and try it out. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.